I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and isolating variables. First, unplug your Xbox and router for 10 seconds, then restart them to clear transient network faults. While they reboot, inspect the cable for kinks, frays, or a broken clip so it makes a solid connection. Plug the cable into a different router port or swap with a working cable to confirm whether the cord or port is at fault. If you see link lights change, you've isolated hardware. If not, continue to software checks. Once hardware looks fine, you dive into settings on the Xbox. Open network settings and run the network test to read the IP, DNS, gateway, and NAT types so you know what's failing. If DHCP assignment fails, set a manual IP within your subnet and add DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to rule out resolver issues. Also check your router for MAC address filtering, exhausted DHCP leases, or outdated firmware, because those finish by applying remediation based on your findings. If settings seem corrupted, perform a network settings reset on the Xbox or a full network cache clear. Replace the cable or use a known good powered Ethernet adapter if the port has low power or damage. Once done, retest online services and NAT. If the console still fails, try the Xbox on a different router or wired network to confirm console hardware. If it fails elsewhere, contact support for hardware repair. One tip: keep a spare cable and document router changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.